What we mean by governance is that's the posh word that we use for just the way that organisations structure themselves, but as well as how they structure themselves, we also mean by that the way they make decisions, the way they make sure things are done properly, as well as the legal structure that they have. Governance is really important because it affects a number of different things. First of all, it affects the legal structure that you have, affects some things you can do and some things that you can't. So different legal structures come with different permissions to do different things. It also affects who picks up the tab if things go wrong, so who is liable in the event, as I say, things go completely pear-shaped. And it affects the confidence people have in the organisation. The most important thing to think through when you are choosing a governance structure for a new organisation is actually what you want to do. It's really important to think through your key aims before you start thinking about what sort of legal structure to choose to meet those aims. So it's really good to think that through before you start thinking about what kind of legal structure would best suit. It's really important to talk to a lawyer before you take certain key decisions. It's important to talk to a lawyer before you choose a legal structure because you might not be aware of all the implications of the different choices that you might make. It's important to talk to a lawyer before you set up a new structure that's attached to an existing organisation, and it's important to talk to a lawyer when you're reviewing how you do it, when you're reviewing your governance structure as well. Before you go and talk to a lawyer, it's really important to be clear about what you're looking for. It's really useful to do as much homework as you can because you can actually save yourself money by being clear with the lawyer on all the facts and things before you get in to see them. The second thing that you should do before you see a lawyer is have a really clear brief for them. So be really clear what it is that you're asking them to do. And the third thing is be really clear about when you're going to start getting charged, so what the lawyer will do for free, what you're going to get charged for, and exactly what the lawyer is going to do for the money that you're going to pay them. So choosing a legal structure is a really key decision for a new social enterprise because it will affect what you can and can't do, and ultimately it will affect the confidence that people have in your new organisation. To have the right structure, the right governance in place is really important.